Hey there! Welcome to Get Started with Facebook. I'm Marika, and this lesson is all about page roles. It's a good idea to have more than one person managing your business page. But if you're a one-person business at the moment, that might not be realistic. As you grow, you'll want to enlist some help. Page roles lets you give other people permission to help manage your page, and you can decide exactly how much control you give to each person. If someone leaves the company, you're able to turn their permissions off. It helps keep your page secure as employees come and go. When you're ready to assign a page role to someone, you have 6 options. I'll tell you about the one with the most access and the one with the least access to help you understand how this works. The admin role gives people total access to make changes to your page. The live contributor role only lets a person go live as that page, but won't give them permission to do anything else. The analyst role only lets people see insights and who's published on a page, whereas editors, moderators, and advertisers can do things like create ads. You can see exactly what you're allowing when you assign the role. To assign or manage your page roles, go to Settings, Page Roles, Assign a new page role. And now that you know how page roles work, try asking someone you trust to help you test it. Remember, the more you explore, the more comfortable you'll be with all the tools you have to help grow your business. Have fun!